Okay, let's get started. Grab your sizing tool and look on the back for the little lip. With your thumbnail, pry the back off your sizing tool. Inside you will find 2 more punch pins. If you break one in the process, you will need to replace it with one of these. Now grab your Fitbit. You can leave the strap on, but it's easier to detach it. Simply push up on the bottom near the faceplate and lift straight up. Now take the strap and look closely at both sides where the pin goes through. You will see that one side is slightly depressed and the other side is flush. You will need to orient which side is which for the removal and replacement. Simply lay your strap across the sizing tool and align your tool pin to the strap pin. Slowly screw the tool pin in until you are firmly in the indention. Then continue to screw in the pin until the strap pin pops all the way out. Now unscrew the tool pin from the strap and remove the strap pin with your fingers. Be careful not to drop it at this point because they are very small. Remove the second pin on the same link in the same fashion. Once out, remove the link from the strap. If you have a small pair of pliers or tweezers, you can use them here. But at this point, place the pin back in the side of the link it came out of. You need to remember the orientation from earlier. Then place your link into position and slide the pin back in enough to hold the link in until you can press it back into place. Reattach your strap and check your fit. Repeat if necessary to the other strap. Okay, you're all done, but here is a really good tip. Place all the links and pins back inside the sizing tool in case you need them later. This way you will not lose any of the small pieces.